Identify your colour palette. So have a look around your room. Look at the walls, the curtains, the existing lounge, and even the carpets. What colours are present? What is your central colour theme? Keep this close when you're selecting your scatter cushions. So go for 1 or 2 solid colours and then pile it up with some textures and some patterns. Let the style of your room dictate your cushions. So if you have a more traditional space, opt for an even number of cushions. I'd pop one large one at the end of each of the sofas, and then I would pop a patterned smaller one in front of it. But if you have a more casual, contemporary, even eclectic vibe, then I'd be looking at using an odd number of cushions and none that are matching. Mix up your shapes and your sizes of your cushions. Gone are the days where we have to have all the same size and shape cushions on our lounges. So I like to think about things not only from a different size, different shape, but also different pattern and texture. Matchy-matchy is no longer the way to go. Bring in your vibe, bring in your feel, and enjoy what you get to dress your couch in. There are so many different ways that you can decorate with scatter cushions, and texture is one of my favourites. If you're not keen to go with multiple colours, stick with the one colourway. Now, neutral does not have to mean boring. In one specific colourway, bring in all different textures and patterns and you'll be blown away with the result. Use your cushions to set the style and tone for your space. So if you're wanting to have a fun, poppy, vibey space, then make sure you include some punches and pops of colour and pattern. But if you're wanting a more chilled, relaxed and laid back space, then incorporate a pile of muted colours and palettes across your room. Great styling happens over time and changes with the seasons. That's right. An excuse to go shopping every single season. So each time the weather changes, change out your cushions for a different look, feel and vibe for the 3 months ahead. Thanks for watching. Did you know we run workshops for all things DIY and renovation? I've popped the link below with our schedule for the rest of the year. Hope to see you there sometime soon.